Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jacqueline Price, and I am coming to you back with another quick video. Today, we're going to talk about the Financial Edge membership, MWR, the Financial Edge membership. So we're on my Facebook page. I wanted just to make sure that you guys know that I want you to connect with me on Facebook. My link will be down below to connect with me on Facebook. Also, the link for this particular video, if you want to get this membership, it will be down below. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video, and that would be just absolutely amazing. I appreciate you for taking your time out to stop by and check out my video. So guys, I want to share our team group and some of the testimonials that are coming in concerning the Financial Edge membership from MWR. So we're going to look and see what's happening inside the group. Okay, I'm going to move. Let me see if I can move this over, move the camera over here so that you can see. Okay, so now this right here is one of our amazing features inside the Financial Edge membership, and it's called Bill Shredder. This one says Bill Shredder just saved me another $420 on my XM radio bill. That's a total of $1,260 saved so far on my regular monthly bills. Guys, who doesn't need their bills shredded? Who doesn't need to save money? This is what the membership does. They will negotiate. We have experts who will negotiate your present bills on your behalf. If they find that they can get you saved money, they will, and they will notify you and let you know. So let's look and see here. So 420, gosh, 5934, 120, 660. Those are that's just one person. That's one person's bills. All the money that they're saving. That's like $1,260 is what he was saying. Okay, that's a congratulations, a new person that got the membership. And remember, the membership includes Wealth Max, where you can get into land banking. The membership includes Money Max, where you can get your instant pay raise. The membership also includes Equity Max, where you can get the bill shredder and get your debt eliminated. And it also includes Credit Max, where you can allow the experts to get your scores up. Guys, I'm so excited because I checked the other day. It's been about a week ago, and my scores went up, and it helped me to be able to go out and get a brand new car. OMG. I am so excited, because my scores were horrible. For real. My scores were horrible. They were able to get my scores increased. I'm so excited. So let's keep going. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay, so here we have a person, their score went up 25 points, a 620 and a 610. Guys, this is what's going on. Yes, 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 this is what's going on with the Financial Edge membership. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's another one. Scores went up 2 points. Scores went up 7 points. A 703. She's in the 700 club. Wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. So let's go on. It keeps going, keep going, keep going. Let's see what else we can find inside the group. Okay. He says he is a product of the product. Endorsing and exposing people to a company is more of a public service when you know for yourself that our experts are helping people every day reclaim the American dream. This is amazing. His score went up. Let me see if I can click on it and show you guys. It's not gonna let me. Okay, there it is. 73 points. Hopefully you can see it. 73 points. His score went up. Okay, let me go see if I can go back. So the membership is absolutely amazing. If you need credit repair, if you need your bills, here's another one. you need your bills shredded and reduced, this one is amazing. He's in the 792 whoop, and 802 points. If you need credit report, you need credit repair, credit restoration. Oh my God, if your credit is jacked up like mine was, reach out to me on this video. Reach out to me. Oh, and here's one of my team members. Bill Shredder saved her $810. OMG. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. $810. Guys, the membership is amazing. And the credit repair actually is free. So you can also just get it and get your credit done free of charge. And listen, your spouse is included. So that's absolutely amazing. No one does that. No other company does that where your spouse is included free. It's $79.97 a month for the experts, for you to have access to financial experts that will work on your behalf to get your cash flow up, to help you eliminate debt, to help you restore your credit. I mean, man, okay, this is going to be the last one that we're going to look at. This one says, okay, so this just happened, y'all. I utilized my Money Max service through MWR Financial by uploading my current W-4 into their online portal. And because 80% of Americans have their W-4 documents filled out incorrectly, including myself, our team of professionals were able to correctly modify my W-4, lowering my total taxes by $108. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. So his taxes were $889. Now they are $781. So that gives him an extra $108 per pay period in his check on his job. Guys, we are the home of the instant pay raise. Listen, let me recap. If you're working a 9 to 5 and you need an instant pay raise on your job, you're paying too much in taxes, click the link below. Reach out to me. If you need credit restoration, reach out to me. If you need your bills reduced, you need somebody to negotiate on your behalf about your bills, get them reduced, reach out to me. If you want to be a part of land banking, owning land, a part of a PRA account that only the wealthy know about, reach out to me. Our Financial Edge membership takes care of all of these things. Guys, this has been Jackie Evich and Jacqueline Price, and I want to let you know that, guys, you can be a part of this membership. You can get this membership, and it is definitely life-changing. I was able to get a brand new car. I'm so excited. You know what I'm saying? I am so excited about that. So if you need any of these things that I've called off today, be sure and reach out to me, and let's get you started, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video today. I appreciate all of you. And again, this is Jackie Price, and I'll see you on the next video.